Okay guys, so today I'm going to try and make a Joule thief, and I've got a battery here which I'm going to show you. This battery is low on voltage and that's showing up as 1.2. Okay, so now I've got a Joule thief which I made some years back. I don't even know what transistor I used there, but if I should put, this is the opposite way around, to be honest with you. If I should put that there, as you can see, it's working nicely. It's lighting 2 LEDs, so that can't be bad. So that Joule thief works nicely, but I'd like to make a new one. So I've got a toroid coil here. I'm going to unwind it and wind with my own wire which I need. It's the only one I can find. I should have some more somewhere, I don't know where they are. So looking at this guys, there's already 2 windings going around, and this is an extra winding. I'm going to take this winding off and see if I can use these windings, because there's 2 wires together going around. Maybe it'll still work. As you can see, a rough bit of cutting out. Took a little bit to take it apart. Apparently it seems to have 2 windings with a thick and a thin wire, and this had a thin wire also, but I took it off anyway, so here we are. We shall try this. If it doesn't work, and I don't see why it shouldn't, we shall strip it all together and try something else. So we have a circuit between the 2 thick wires and the 2 thin ones, obviously, from each side. So we're going to connect the start of one to the finish of the other one, which is going to be the thick and the thin wire. We're going to connect them together like that. So guys, this is it then. So I've connected the start and the finish, and I put the green wire on that, and I just chose any colors on the other 2. So I connected the base of the transistor to the resistor 1K right there. So one end of the coil goes to the other end of the resistor, and this coil, which has got both the wires on it, start and finish, goes to the positive side of the battery. And the other end of the coil, which with the yellow wire, will go to, let me see now, it'll go to the collector, which is this side, which is this side of the transistor. Right, so you can see it there. And the other side of the coil goes to negative. The LED needs to go between the emitter and collector. So here. And that's it, in theory. Let's connect the, put the battery in, which is 1.2 volts. There it is. It's lighting up the LED. If you can see that. Get a close-up look on that. There's the LED lighting up. Very simple circuit indeed. I'm going to just try. I'm going to try one more thing to see if the LED lights up right across the battery on its own. So I've got the negative lead there onto the negative of the LED. The positive, I'm going to stick it there. You can see it's not lighting up whatsoever. So, yeah, this battery would not light it up without Joule tip circuit. So I'll put this across back there again. Lights up nicely. My mind is to try this circuit on something else, which I'm not sure if it'll work, but I'm going to try it. One more thing I wanted to try, guys, and that is to put a capacitor across the resistor, and you get a flashing LED. I don't know if you can see it, just about see the flashing LED. But this is 1,000 microfarad, so I'm going to change it to a lower one, see what we get. I put a 4,700 microfarad capacitor, and it's flashing like that, which is good. Last experiment, guys, I put a 22k resistor in it, but I couldn't get it to flash with a 10 microfarad capacitor or in lower. So the higher the capacitor seems to be working better. Even then, this is working the same with the 4,700 microfarad capacitor. So it's not doing any different, as it were. It's flashing the same rate. Thank you for watching. So guys, I've changed my mind concerning this particular project. I tried it with another experiment, it didn't work, so I thought I'd just put it together like this. And it's not the best, you know. There's some people who are so neat and so clever, they do it really nicely. But hey, anyway, I put this on and I thought I'd try a smaller battery, a AAA battery with this, and it's not an original battery, it's supposed to be ultra, but see how long it works for. That's what I'm going to do. I got a magnet under there, and it fits just about fits in, so it'll stand up like that. So yeah, I'm going to check how long this particular LED stays on, as it were. As you can see, the LEDs there nicely working fine. So this is it. Thank you for watching and enjoy, and I'll keep an update on this thing for you. See how long it lasts with this battery. I might try different batteries as well. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.